Hey guys, it's Diamond, and today I will make the last piece of the jelly layers here, and this is the last one. I just tell you guys in the last video that I made the standard size in the CC edition, right? So you can see here is the last piece of the jellies here, and the size is the A6 regular. Because if one is to be an independent notebook cover, and because it's too thin, so it won't be too sturdy to hold your notebooks. So today I want to combine with the same layers. They are very few and very thin. So I will combine with the camos here. So you can see I cut a lot camos here, and I think they will just very fit and very match to combine together. Okay, let's see and what it will turn out. Okay, see you later. And guys, I'm back, and we can see the A6 jelly turns here is very beautiful, and because inside is a camo layer, so I especially to make this little tab in the camo too. Yes, and I choose the same button with the less jelly in the in the standard size, and this button is a little small than the button on the standard. Yes, so they are same shape of the buttons. And let's go inside. Yes, we can see here is an E packet. Yes, I call this packet it's an E packet. Yeah, it's the ABCDE packet. It's just like the word of E. Yes, and here is a folio with two card dots, and also it could be a folio packet. So this is the A6 jelly with the camo combination, and they are very beautiful. Yes. And let's see the edge. The edge is very shiny too. So this is will shipping to Terry, because after she saw her standard size in the jelly, and she just immediately decide she want to get this another piece. She want to get the last piece of the A6 jelly too, and she say just all designed by myself, and she will take it. I'm so happy. So I make this combination in the jelly and camo. Yes, and I bet you guys will love it too. Yes, and because the e-packet is very few to show out on my shop, and after this video, I think there are many people will like the e-packet. So let's go get close to see the e-packet. Yes, and the folio with two card dots. Yeah. Okay, so this is the A6 jelly, and let's say goodbye to the jelly, because there is no more jelly layers in my shop. Okay, and I wish one day I can see the jelly come back soon. I can see the jelly come back to my shop again, and hope it will very soon. Okay, hope you guys will like the video today. See you guys next time.